Oh.
So these, I'll put my torch on my phone. So this is one of the old arc lights from when it was a theatre. And these were actually located in the roof space. And I think they date from maybe the 1930s or 40s.
What's that then? You know what that is?
That, basically, it's got an arc light. If you've heard of arc welding, so it's a little bit like arc welding. It had a very bright light. And there's a mirror here. The kind of element would have been through here with another one pointing this way, and it strikes an arc, really high voltage, a lot of current, and then it's reflected through the lens right down the end with different coloured filters onto the stage. But you can see the really heavy duty piece of kit. And then if we can turn it, I don't know if we can turn it around a little bit. No, I can't. But you can actually see on the back of it, you've got all the controls, and I think it's the Strand is the manufacturer of it.
You can see all the little window little things.
Very bright white light shining through, and then they'd have different coloured papers that would filter to give you the different coloured lights. And there seem to be various different things left in it, but it's kind of nice. It all sort of works, and the handles still turn a little bit and move, and yeah. So I guess you can focus on the stage. And there were two of these. There's another one somewhere, but you can't actually get to it.
So what will you be doing with these old lights?
Nothing.
Ah.
I'm just literally going to leave them as they are. I think if you restored them, you'd lose the character. So to me, just leave them as they are.
Somewhere on display?
I think we will eventually, but not for now. Not for now. I think they need to stay in the building because they've been here a long time. They've probably been here, I don't know, maybe 70, 80 years.
Maybe they're on holiday.
Well,
they might want to get out, you know.
Well,
if they've been in here for so long, they want to go see the world.
They're in Morecambe. They're on holiday already. There you go.